In this video, you will learn about the benefits of ginger and how to make a nice ginger tea to lose weight and belly fat.
How to lose weight and belly fat, drinking ginger tea. Consuming ginger tea can help bring the internal balance back in tune and promote well-being and weight loss, besides the fact that it's delicious. Drinking a warm ginger tea with lemon can pack a lot of benefits for your health. Here is the ginger tea recipe. Ingredients and preparation. Raw ginger. Get fresh ginger root, cut into 5 thin slices and put in a large mug. Pour 2 cups of very hot but not boiling water over the slices. Cover and let steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Strain the water to remove the ginger. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey and or lemon if you like. Your ginger tea is ready to be consumed. Consuming ginger tea just before each meal is a fantastic way to jumpstart the digestive enzymes. Also drink a cup of ginger tea before you go to sleep, to let it work its magic overnight while you are sleeping. Benefits of ginger. 1. Boost metabolism. Ginger has fat-burning properties. It helps in increasing the rate of metabolism, and therefore burn more fat. In addition to increasing fat loss, ginger also helps you feel fuller longer, which in turn reduces food consumption and overall caloric intake. 2. Sore muscle relief. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties and thus help relieve muscle soreness and inflammation after exercise. 3. Helps digestion. Drinking ginger tea between meals will stimulate stomach acid production and ensure proper absorption of food. 4. Control diabetes. Drinking ginger tea can help control type 2 diabetes. Gingerols, the main active components in ginger, are known to improve diabetes, increase insulin sensitivity, glucose clearance, prevention of other diabetes-related disorder. Want to know more about losing belly fat?
Check the description below. Please subscribe and click on the bell icon.